Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Google Sheet document. So if you have a Google Sheets document that you want to delete, then I'm going to show you how you can do so. And these steps are going to also allow you to free up space on your drive. And these steps is going to allow you to free up whatever little space that you can on your Google Drive. So how do you do that? Once you open up Google Sheet, you can locate that sheet that you want to remove. You can easily remove it from here. So you can right click and you can simply do remove, right? So you can do remove from here, or in case you have that document open and you want to delete it, you can easily go ahead and delete the document from here. So you can go to file and you can do move to trash, right? So you can delete the file from here as well. Now, alternatively, if you have your Google Drive open as well, those files are stored there in Google Drive, so you can always go to the Google Drive and delete it as well. So if this is a document, you can right click and you can just basically move to trash. Or if you simply click on it, if you look to the top as well, you have the move to trash icon as well. So any one of these options you choose, guys, you can easily do that and move it to trash or simply do something like that, right? So I'm going to move that to trash. Now, the last step that you want to do to ensure that you permanently delete it. So depending on where you delete it from, whether it's within the Google Drive or wherever it is. And if I go back to here, you will see that it mentioned that this file is in the trash. So I can just go back to home and you will see that the file is not there anymore. So depending on where you choose to delete the file from, you want to ensure that you go over to your Google Drive as well. And once you go over to Google Drive, you'll be able to find that file within the trash folder. And here you can see that file that I just recently deleted. And in order to permanently delete this, you need to click on that file and click on the delete button again. And here you'll see that it says delete forever. You click on that, then click on delete forever, and that's going to permanently delete that file for you. So this is it, guys. You can delete the file from wherever you want, wherever you are, and you have access to the file, you can delete the file. However, you want to ensure that the last thing that you need to do is just go to your Google Drive and click on the trash where you'll find the file, and then from there you will click on it and delete it forever, right? So once you delete that forever, then it's going to permanently delete the file for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.